morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today, we're going to be learning about using the scale. Now, we know that we cannot put long distances in a book, so we have to find a way of putting them in a book by changing it into centimeters. So the scale is usually in centimeters, both sides. This means 1 centimeter in a book. And this one means 1.2 million centimeters on land. So the idea is we have to change these centimeters back into kilometers in case the question is asked in kilometers. You could be asked, if this is the scale, then change 24 kilometers into centimeters using the scale. So we have to know that 100,000 centimeters equals to 1 kilometer. Then we ask ourselves, what about these? What about 1.2 million centimeters? Definitely is going to be more compared to this. This is a lot. So we come and put, say, this is more and this is less. Since it's going to be more, we have to put this one on top and this one below. So we say more over less. More over less. More is that one. Over less, which is this one. Good. Times 1 kilometer, which is on the other side of the equal sign, times 1 kilometer. Now what do we get? Let's see. All the zeros will cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros will cancel with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And the centimeter will also cancel with a centimeter. We have 12. 12 remaining. 12 times 1 kilometers gives us 12 kilometers. Now we have changed it. We no longer have this in centimeters, but we have it now in kilometers. And we have 12 kilometers. Represents 1 centimeters in a book. We can use this. What about our 24 kilometers? We can say, what about 24 long kilometers on land? They are going to be, let's see, we still have to analyze and ask ourselves if just 1 centimeter is 12. What about 24? Is 24 more than 12? Yes, it is. So here it's going to be more centimeters for us. Now, if you write more, between these two, you ask yourself which one is more. 24 is more and 12 is less. So our formula has to be more over less because we need more. So more over less will be 24 over 12 kilometers, both are kilometers, times also the other side times 1 centimeters. Because this represents 1 centimeters and we want to change this one into centimeters. So let's cancel. Kilometers goes with kilometers. How many 12s go into 12? 1. How many 12s are found in 24? 2 of them to give you 12. And so we have 2 times 1 centimeters and we have 2 centimeters. I hope that you have learned how to use a scale, and so try some and I'll see you during the next lesson. Goodbye.